That blinking low toner light is probably lying to you. Printer companies want you to buy expensive new cartridges when you still have plenty of toner left, but you can fight back. I'm going to show you how to use every last drop and save hundreds of dollars. Printer companies often sell printers at a loss to lock you into buying their expensive proprietary toner. It's the classic razor and blades model. That low toner warning isn't actually measuring toner. It's a chip on the cartridge that just estimates usage by counting the pages you've printed. Once you hit a preset limit, it cries wolf, no matter how much toner is really in there. Today, we're gonna outsmart that chip. The easiest fixes are right in your computer's print settings. Before you hit print, look for properties or preferences. First, turn on toner save mode, draft mode, or econo mode. This tells the printer to use less toner and can significantly extend the life of your cartridge. Next, lower the print quality or resolution, often measured in DPI. For everyday text documents, 600 DPI is more than enough. Anything higher is often overkill. Finally, always choose to print in grayscale or black and white. This forces the printer to use only the black cartridge instead of mixing expensive colors to create the black. Believe it or not, the font you choose has a big impact on toner usage. Thick, bold fonts like Arial are toner hogs. Simply switching to a thinner font can make a huge difference. For example, Times New Roman was designed for newspapers to save ink and can get you more pages from the same cartridge compared to Arial. For drafts, try using light fonts like Garamond or Courier. If your printer stops working despite having toner, it's time for physical hacks. First, take out the toner cartridge and give it a gentle shake from side to side. This redistributes the settled powder and can often get you dozens or even hundreds of extra pages. If that fails, you can try to trick the sensor. Popular method for some printers is to place a small piece of black electrical tape over the smart chip's contact point. This can block the empty signal, often forcing the printer to let you continue printing. This is critical. These hacks are for laser printers that use toner powder. Never do this with an inkjet printer. Inkjet cartridges use liquid ink that helps cool the delicate printhead. Running an inkjet cartridge completely dry can cause the printhead to overheat and burn out, permanently killing the printer. Also, have a backup cartridge ready. Once your pages start looking faded or streaky, it's genuinely time for a replacement. And remember, that low toner warning is a suggestion, not a command. By using draft mode, changing fonts, and shaking the cartridge, you decide when it's truly empty. Oh, and one last tip. Consider turning off automatic firmware updates in your printer settings. This can sometimes prevent companies from pushing updates that block cheaper third-party cartridges. If this video just saved you from buying a new toner, please do me a favor and hit that like button. For more tech tips that put money back in your pocket, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.